Hi there, this is Dennis again from Locksmith. Sorry about the mess, but I've been tinkering away just to let you see a new tool that we have. It's an additional piece of equipment for our letterbox tool, which we use to go through the letterbox and turn thumb turns, night latches, basically everything that you can get through the letterbox with. So we have a control panel here, on off switch. And here we have our motor turner. So we do have an extension, but we'll just try it with this one. I need 3 hands here. So as you can see, press this wee button here, and it turns clockwise and anti-clockwise. So if you can imagine that through the letterbox and onto a knob or a set of keys, and hey presto, no damage to your door, the door's open and you're in. Again, we like to invest in these quality of tools because it doesn't cause any damage, and we have them for life because they're well made. It's made by a company called GJ Locks. Thank you very much. Bye bye.